Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be working with the Nishman two-phase leave-in conditioner for beard and hair. Stay tuned for more tips. Nishman two-phase beard and hair conditioner is a leave-in conditioner. It is specially formulated to soften hair and beard. It also helps to easier combing, and remember to shake it well before you use it. Thank you for choosing Nishman products. Stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.